At a price.
Yeah, but right now your children are starting to have sex as early as even 10 or 11.
How do you know that?
That is what is happening. As long as Ameshafika puberty.
Who teaches them?
To have sex. No one teaches anyone how to have sex.
I know that.
No. But because of benefits, makoreleni wachugiki. Kwanza ngini moko nondro moro woknia gicha have sex in their own houses, under their parents' own roofs, without their parents' knowledge. How are they doing it? With their cousins.
Them watches.
The watches. Their cousins inside the house. Ingeni mama paro ni mnyapini kukukoreka viro mugi ginene. Lakini cousin
the wolf is inside the house.
Inside the house. Those things started inside the house. Family planning pharmacies every Fridays. Ask them which drug is selling, and they will say the P2 emergency pills sell a lot. And which days? Fridays. To P2 how many times? 2 times in a year. Okay. Yes, you go to school, go away. This even high school children, the ones that is calling, the ones in the colleges and universities. You're looking in here, Fridays, just do a random check in pharmacy, The highest drug that sells there is P2. Every Friday. To Maggie, go 2 times in a year. Maggie, it's spoiling our health. Kwa nati katani sunyi dokuchuchonia dichuo mami pesa inyogodu P2 every week and dichuo maketi kendo keto health. Because if someone really cares about you, you shouldn't even take that P2 even more than even once that year. And he doesn't care about you. Tingine moko vida kodi obi webi dakinga moto no seketo nyakangimani. Reproductive health is very, very sensitive.
Okay.
And then you have cysts, we have fibroids, we have whatever, ovarian cancers and every other thing because of the drugs we take in reproductive. Apart from you can get tracks ningim meal, more be masani ko ren community ko get blogging. There's no more social media.
No, let me know.
They blog. Tomano can blogging mo this school blogging mari yenu. You just say akawa kijana Martin katamana nyako Martin to me pesa mara okana pesa manya mana giro 1000 somewhere you giga per month. Mara airtime. Yes, so give you opportunities mo komilungu gini meeting kama don't just sasa sengeni kagenye unoje ne kwa tomano tosha. Because gini no ni wananga life unaona. Koro ko say migi pesa blogging gidi yanyo ntindo yanyo radio siasa dese samia nyo nitende nga madung mabeki akata. Koro ko seti ko rigenyo ginyi nga market yenyi ntento bet kumora. Koro jende poko fwenyo ni even they have a space. They have a space in the political arena. Gindi nini nyakagi support gamaya joku mose dongo mudo nyuchu. Lakini anto gipacha. Nanduwaronia.
Yes.
Come 2027. Positions mag MCA. Gomboni people below 35 years electoral spaces. All people below 35 years. Nikage, in young person in the kanyo window to even if you say 30 years old, take one in making support and almost for 45 years, a position money go be big buy. And I want to inbook in Chumundo by space, so you don't need to get a truck. If you mean a truck, you mean 1,000 they got 1,000 they chimogodango for how long? So young people also need to know that they can also stand in leadership positions and get elected if the fellow young people support them. Yeah, akuna yo fiat, yo sina pesa, una pesa, chaka whoop.
Do that.
Yes.
Rather than
abusing you and making you look bad. Yet you know we need it tomorrow. You know, no man is an island. But politicians mawa blog nigen against. For example, Saniji blog against Ken Obura, for example, G blog against Ken Obura, gi oron gi agenda. But gi majo pinkiania jogi mitga ba madchai in their absence. Ba room ba wuma bed in their absence. But for the face of people kuri itangone gini enemies. Mani soni ilinga matine my life niketode. Gini blog negitimo kama the moment magise do seats, they don't even know you. Those are instances of another young person.
What a boy child. Let's bring it down, not down your politics. Nyathimo woi to ngimane irochere nade. Have you ever experienced nyathimo woi piny masana? You know piny betindo biro ma people are doing different bad weird things. How are you also supporting young gentlemen?
So many things. I think we first of all in sexual violence. Anti gimeni wani sodomi. To sodomi ni cases working there was one community forum man head, and this guy was 33 years old. That was one of the participants in that session.
Okay.
We were talking about matters gender-based violence, and as usual, we just create it to be a safe space. And for the first time, this 33-year-old guy shared a story of how he was always being sexually abused.
No.
Yes.
An adult.
An adult, but he was always being sexually abused from when he was a child.
Okay.
Yes. And that was the very first time he shared. He's now 33, but he could answer kama bado yuko mtoto. He kaendelea na auntie yake, with his own auntie. He never shared with anyone, not the mom, but in that space he shared. So that is to tell you that men and boys go through gender-based violence, Chinyamaji, and they never share. Being also abused by their wives. Nama dako boy to enemu goduru. Oh boy to goduru to jirede kabiru to jirede melonia. Jirede kono paro ni dene goy. Don't you beka nama dako sego ido ni bet bana kama beko de foli ke which could. Anani so de macho ni goluru which could oko. Inget ko ni kama no to mungi digo yu pro. Pangeta ni beke tek mali. Chi umagita mo kuchocho be ukia. Mono benti de kake wacho ni ati bi jomacho sani go through challenges. Challenge mono ba jomacho ni tiere neni ya jomacho moko sani dwaro mana mono mawekogi. Iwijo.
What do you mean?
Is the provider of the house. While you're sitting there, you always claim there's no job, but there's nothing like there's no job, Mr. Justice.
Okay.
Jobs are there. They're just being selected. And then wachonia kizungu wacho problem shared is half solved. Gimora mora matimino, there's nothing new under the sun. Gino no setimo. Gimora we go through no indo. No setimo rene tomorrow. Solutions are there. Koro kick ihiri bigi mora mepitia. It can be work life, it can be your sexual life, it can be your reproductive health right, it can be anything. Do not keep quiet. Tell it to someone, lakini be very careful in your meaning solo.
Okay.
Yes.
Tia wasulibe.
Niti jokumogara anya lungi siki moro sani ka no gwaya otukuti no mali twingi tibuzuela. Karabe go ega. Endi go moro nyaka.
Kepocha to ena social media.
Yes, mi jerumude no kani endi ko ga mali tibili amantere nyaka duti nyasamo kumabe kinyiso. Mane somo, mani injili masande.
Kia kako nego beniri to.
Kia ukoro ine makoro yali, ine makoro chiuko, di koro la mimi so gini benyaki nenga manya so mi wisdom ninga ne makoro shago de ndoko. Yeah.